In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with text questions in Microsoft Forms. Microsoft Forms can be an incredibly powerful tool whether you're designing surveys for research, collecting feedback from a team, or even just using it to facilitate some fun polls among friends. Today we'll focus on crafting effective text questions so you can gather precisely the information you need. To get started, head over to Microsoft Forms by visiting their website. Once you're there, look toward the upper left corner of the page. You'll see a button that says New Form. Go ahead and click on that. This is your starting point whether you're building a survey from scratch or adding to an existing project. Once your new form loads, you'll be presented with several question types to choose from. Today, we'll focus on the text option. Selecting this allows you to create questions that require a text response from your users, offering them an open field to write their answers. Now, let's move on to crafting your question. You'll see a space labeled question text, and it's as simple as it sounds. Just type your question here. Make your question as clear and concise as possible to ensure respondents understand exactly what you're asking. Formatting the text of your question is an option if you want to emphasize certain parts. Highlight the text you want to format and you'll see tools to make it bold, italic, or underlined, and even options to change the font color and size. This can be particularly useful for emphasis or for enhancing the visual appeal of your form. For responses that might require more detailed answers, consider using the long answer option. Selecting this allows the response field to expand, accommodating longer text entries. It's perfect if your question might elicit a paragraph or more detailed feedback rather than just a quick sentence or two. A quick word of caution, while editing, be mindful of deleting questions accidentally. Once a question is deleted, it's gone for good, along with any data that respondents may have provided for that particular question. So double check before hitting delete to avoid losing valuable information. And there you have it, you're now equipped to create effective text questions in Microsoft Forms. By mastering these simple steps, you can enhance your surveys and forms, encouraging more informative and detailed responses from your audience. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.